Here. Do you want to make a bit of money? You want to do what I did? You want to get into farming? See that there? That's corn, that is. Comes out the fucking ground! I couldn't believe it either! I'm literally rolling in it! See all them there? That's beef, that is. It's actually made of beef. Kill it, cook it, eat it, tastes like fucking beef. Cool. Look at all them fucking steaks. Come on. Beef burgers. Roast beef. Surprise. You know sheep? Bit woolly. It's fucking wool. Pull it off, sell it, fucking grows back again. Then put their back legs into your willies. Instant girlfriend. Hello, Delilah. You cannot lose. See that there? It's chicken. It's actually made of chicken. Kill it. Tastes just like chicken. Or don't kill it. Fucking eggs come out of their arses. Fucking come on. Or, what do you want to do? Get a load of cows, pull their tits, fucking milk comes out of them. Who's a jammy bastard?